It's clear that onions offer a wide range of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to various dishes. The key nutrients and compounds found in onions contribute to their positive impact on different aspects of health. Let's summarize some of the benefits mentioned. 1. Heart health. Onions contain the antioxidant quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help prevent heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure and elevated cholesterol levels. 2. Anti-cancer properties. The compounds in onions, including flavonoid antioxidants and sulfur compounds, are believed to inhibit cell mutation and tumor development. Onions are particularly rich in onions A, a sulfur compound known to impair cancer development. 3. Antibacterial properties. Onions have been recognized as a home remedy for centuries, and studies confirm their ability to fight dangerous bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, and Bacillus cereus. The presence of quercetin in onions also shows antibacterial effects. 4. Rich in prebiotics. Onions are rich in prebiotics and fiber, promoting gut health and boosting immunity. They contribute to the growth of beneficial probiotics such as lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, essential for digestive health. 5. Bone health. Despite dairy products being commonly associated with bone health, onions may also play a role in fighting osteoporosis. Studies have shown that women who consume onions regularly may have greater bone density, and onions can increase antioxidant levels in the body. 6. Anti-inflammatory. Onions are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. Yellow onions, in particular, are highlighted for their richness in antioxidants. A diet rich in onions can help reduce inflammation and counteract free radical damage, leading to a stronger immune system. Incorporating onions into a balanced diet may offer these health benefits, but it's essential to maintain a varied and nutrient-rich overall eating pattern for optimal health.